We are now going to add some other kinds of visuals. The most common one is probably the line chart, available here, where we can add the date and put in the axis, and also some premium, which we can put in the values, like so. Another common type might be the area chart, which we can do in the same way. And agents, actually dates, put it in the axis. They're quite similar, so you can see them better. These ones should be identical except for the area. We can also use a funnel chart, which is used to just see how someone may be doing in terms of net, let's say. And here you can see best performing agent. And another common one would be the Treemap, which shows a similar thing, but in a different way. And the biggest block there shows best performing in this case. So these are some of the most common visuals.